Dumbbell Atlas Press. For this exercise, you're gonna need 1 dumbbell. So you want a slightly heavier dumbbell than what you'd normally do with 2 dumbbells for a press. So for Michelle, she's got a 15-pound dumbbell here. We're gonna have her pick it up. You're gonna hold it in both hands, and you're gonna start on one shoulder. Now, for your stance here, you want a slightly wider than shoulder width foot stance for stability. Slight bend in those knees, nice soft knees, tight core, and engaged glutes. From here, you're gonna exhale, pushing that dumbbell straight up over your head and lowering it to the other shoulder. From here, you're gonna exhale, pushing up, inhale, coming down. Every time you exhale, I want you to think tight and engaged core. And if it starts to get hard, you can bend those knees and give yourself a little bit of a squat push. This looks excellent. Michelle's doing these like a rock star. All right, perfect. And that, my friends, is a Dumbbell Atlas Press.